Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we are looking at a 2026 Alcom Stealth 24-foot car hauler, all aluminum on tandem 5,200-pound axles with our Elite Escape door. This is kind of our entry-level one. Beautiful trailer. First, we're going to show you how this Elite door opens. You simply pop these latches up, one on each side, which of course are lockable. Reach down, grab the door. It goes up on its own, as you can see. Next, we kind of tap the fender and it comes out. It has latches that hold it in. Take the fender out, super light, set it down, and look at this. You could bring any car in here and open the door and get wide out. It's fantastic. Got pictures of very low cars, Coco Camaros, race cars, Ferraris, doing that. As we walk around the trailer, we'll notice it's finished in beautiful white. It is a V-nose, so it's 24 foot plus the V-nose. We continue walking around. It's got a man door with both a padlock and a deadbolt. Beautiful black steel wheels on it. It's got the cross vent system, so there's one here, there's one up high on the other side. So walk around back. I have the ramp door open. The ramp door is 6 foot 10 inches of clearance on the rear door. It is a beaver tail course. Our decking is called advanced decking. This will never rot. Same with the floors, the walls. Both are advanced deckings. They'll never rot. I got a piece of the fishbowl for over 6 years. Hard as a rock. Does have a full-size matching spare mounted on the wall. Up front you can see the inside of the man door here. This is an all-aluminum construction trailers. As we put on here, the benefits of all aluminum over steel. Of course, it doesn't rust. It's super lightweight. 4 heavy-duty D-rings on the floor. Nice thing is all your electronics are inside so they don't get destroyed by the weather. This is the inside of the cross vent here. So there's air flowing through your trailer the whole time. When it's closed up, helps keep the fresh air going, fuels and what have you inside. If you have questions about this trailer or any other trailers, please reach out to us at dayspringtrailers.com or give us a call at 503-666-7300. And here's a picture of the back of the trailer. I just put the door up. As also you can see on this, it has triple hinges on both sides for an extra heavy duty car hauler. Hey, thanks for taking a look and have a wonderful day.